Hey, coffee lovers! Welcome back to another fun and easy coffee tutorial. Ever wanted to master latte art, but thought you needed fancy espresso machines and barista skills? Well, think again. Today, we're diving into the world of instant coffee and showing you how to create beautiful latte art right in your own kitchen. That's right, you don't need any special equipment or training. Just a few simple ingredients and a bit of creativity. Yeah, you heard me right. We're going to make latte art with instant coffee. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab your favorite instant coffee, some hot water, milk, and a frother or a whisk. If you don't have a frother, don't worry. You can use a jar with a lid. I'll explain that in a bit. Alright, step 1. Make your instant coffee. Use about 1 to 2 teaspoons of instant coffee and mix it with hot water. You want it strong so it stands out against the milk. Stir it well and set it aside. Now for the milk. Heat up your milk until it's hot but not boiling. If you have a microwave, you can heat it for about a minute. Once it's hot, it's time to froth. If you have a frother, go ahead and froth the milk until it's nice and foamy. No frother? No problem. Pour the hot milk into a jar, put the lid on, and shake it like you're making a cocktail. Instant frothy milk. Next, pour the coffee into your favorite mug. Now gently pour the frothy milk over the coffee. Hold back the foam with a spoon, then spoon the foam on top. This helps create a nice, even layer of foam. Here's the fun part, the latte art. To make a simple heart, hold your cup at an angle and pour the milk in a steady stream. Move your hand back and forth gently to create a heart shape. For a leaf, pour the milk in and wiggle your hand from side to side, then pull up at the end. Don't worry if it's not perfect, practice makes perfect, and there you have it. A beautiful latte made with instant coffee. It's easy, fun, and you can impress your friends with your barista skills. So grab your instant coffee and start practicing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy coffee hacks. Catch you next time, coffee lovers.